you got this error, please update your Intel driver. Detected Intel driver version is in the recommended driver version, or please update your drivers at this site. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just select the link, select the download now option and download this Intel driver and support assistant. After the download done, click on it and install the application. In my case, I already installed the Intel driver and support assistant. That's why I'm getting this options. You just need to install this application and then go to search menu and type Intel driver support assistant application, and this site will open up, guys. Scanning for your system. Select the allow option, select install all option and select yes. Intel graphics driver installer, select the begin installation, select I agree and select start option. After the installation done, as you can see, reboot required. Select the option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can open the game and you will never face this error, guys. And that's how I fixed this error. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.